Welcome to my channel Azhar Smart Educator. In this video, we are going to study my English book 6, Standard 6, 1.2 Fun and Games with Tara and Friends. In this chapter, page number 6, activity number 9. Complete the sentences in the yellow track using phrases from the green field. Dear students, here are two parts in this activity. First part is green field and second part is yellow track. Dear students, I am going to read all phrases given on green field. His father in group B, our teacher, my friend, our leader, her brother, in your group, in the same school, their neighbor, in their group. Now, I am going to read yellow track incomplete sentences. You are dash, she is dash, they are dash, he is dash, I am dash, we are dash, you are dash. Dear students, you have to complete all sentences given on yellow track by using green field phrases. So now, first incomplete sentence is you are. You can use my friend. Now sentence become you are my friend. You can use our leader. Now sentence become you are our leader. You can use our teacher. Now sentence become you are our teacher. Now second incomplete sentence, she is. You can use she is in group B, she is in your group, she is my friend. There are multiple choices for you to complete all yellow track incomplete sentences. So dear students, by this way you have to complete all yellow track sentences and send to your teacher photo of your work. Thank you.